Super life, life is super. We came, we saw, we dominate. What a powerful word, guys. We, W-E, is wisdom energy. Wisdom energy can only work when we work together. I is one power, you another power. When this I and you combine together, we get the we power. And that combination is what we call as mastermind. And that mastermind is what generates wisdom energy. So we power is the ultimate power. So in this industry, synergizing is very important, guys. We energize each other with the additional energy that we combine together when we come together. When one or more minds come together, a mastermind is created. Napoleon Hill said that very well in Think and Grow Rich. So we are giving you a chance to participate in a very powerful wisdom energy. And that's what Dominator is all about. We, wisdom energy, we come. We, wisdom energy, we soar. We, wisdom energy, we dominate. What do we dominate? Our body, our mind, and our inner soul energy. And I didn't want to use any religious terminology or spiritual terminology, so I'm changing it to practical. What you see is your body, which is very practical. Physiological being its body. What is inner, inside you, operating this body, is another spiritual energy, which you cannot see, are the 12 organs. They cannot talk to you, they cannot relate to you, just like how you are talking to another physical body, but they are very important. Those 12 vital organs, 7 of the organs operates our inner system. Our endocrine system, urinary system, respiratory system, all those systems are run by these 7 vital organs. 5 vital organs are our protector. They are the army at guard, or we call that the border guards, who take care of us for their immunity protectors. So we need them also, the internal. If we go deeper, there is other energies running us, which we cannot see, but very important, subtle energies. So these 7 vital organs work with the 7 glands, and the 7 glands work with these vital energies, inner energies. And these energies are operating in 7 different small wheels, guys. The ancient guys call it chakra. Chakra. It's churning, like how a train chucks, It moves. So that's why they call it chakra, a wheel. And that wheel is going from your base at the spinal cord, and then it's moving upwards. And it moves in 2 forms, like a serpent. It moves like that in 2 forms. So what you see, the 2 snakes in medical terminology, is your left brain and right brain. So the left brain and right brain is these 2 energies that's operating and then combines as one. That's what wisdom energy is all about. So those inner energy also have to work to give you the balance. Then you have to balance the 7 wheels within you to get the balance for you. Then what happens? Your body becomes a very powerful magnetic force to attract the things that you want in life. The basic things that you want in life. Your car, your house, the spouse. Kadi, Madi, lady. As guys, we say Kadi, Madi, lady. Kadi means car, and Madi means house, and ladies means a wife. So it will be that. And I like what Mr. Ken added on, baby. So it's a combination. It's all working together. And we have been not getting what we want in life, even though you're working very hard, even though you're a good person, you are a good husband, good wife, good this, good that, but you're not getting what you're supposed to get because a lot of opposing energy. And that's why your body, your inner mind, and your inner soul energy is not getting you what you want. So every time you are given an opportunity, So opportunity itself got opposing energy, tune, unity. So opposing, tuning, and unity. Every Tuesdays, I call this Tune-In Tuesday. Every Fridays, Coaching Friday. So we bring in new people to tune in to Tuesday to listen to our opportunity. Then we coach them on Friday to make them see what we do. And today is a Friday. So opportunity is all about tuning yourself, guys. So if we tune our body with STC30, the moment you put it under the tongue, it goes to the pituitary gland, and it actually sets your wisdom eye, inner eye inside, and then it distributes the stem cell from the plants according to what's needed by your body. So the cells within will know what they want, and they will call for the mother cell that is going in through this STC30, and then they are given accordingly. So if some cells need repairing, like I'm 59 years old, maybe there are a lot of repairs to be done because we have not used our body, we have abused our body. Secondly, if you are healthy and your body has got no repairs, if you are young, maybe 18 years old, 19, 20, until 30, so there's no repair. So you need to just rejuvenate, revitalize, and regenerate your cells, so cells can keep moving. So that's what STC30 does internally. Now, once your body, mind, and your inner soul, I call it now inner CEO. What is a CEO? Chief Executive Officer. So once this guy operates very well, he executes from inside you, the you within you. That's what W-I-N, the word win means within, within. So the guy within you must dictate your life, not anything outside of you. Listen to the heart. Return to the innocence, they say. So that within you, I call it the inner CEO. So tonight, we are going to have a very powerful session. And this session is preparing you to go for it 2022. It's all about preparing you to go for it 2022. And how to set goals. It's how to become a goal getter. That's what tonight's program is all about. How to be a goal getter health-wise. How to be a goal getter wealth-wise. How to be a goal getter relationship-wise. Because your health is a relationship between you and you. That's your health. Your wealth is a relationship with others. So you need to tune yourself and communicate with others and bring more of them together with you in this journey of life. All of us are very good in communicating with ourselves, but sometimes we are not good in communicating with others. All of us may be good in communicating with others, but not good in communicating with ourselves. If you are good in communicating with others, if you are not communicating with yourself, you will have good team of people coming in, but you will never grow the way you're supposed to grow. Because the communication within you is more important than communication with others. So we will balance all this tonight, and you come in. There are chances for you to have a change happening tonight itself. Why changes take time is only you allow it to give time, guys. Some change can happen on the spot. There are a lot of people that I know over the years, I've been doing this coaching and training session, where people overnight have changed and said, from today, I'm going to be the person I'm meant to be. And they come and told me, I've seen them growing from that one day. So could happen today itself. So whenever I do a program, I'm not preparing you for tomorrow's change, I'm preparing you for today's change. So if you come alone today, you can change. You come with 2 of your people, then 3 of you will change. And when 3 in a team changes, the team grows, guys. So let us come together, let us work together, let us build together. We came, we saw, we dominate. Vetri namake, vetri nichayam, which means victory for us, victory for sure. So when we come together, there's definitely a victory there. When we work together, that's definitely a victory there. When we progress together, that's definitely a victory there. So we came, we saw, we dominate. See you guys tonight. Super life is super.